What happens when a middle-aged man in an orange polo shirt starts roasting people's cooking? You get viral gold. Meet Uncle Roger, the sassy, no-nonsense food critic who took the internet by storm.
Hello, my name is Uncle Roger.
His brutally honest critiques and over-the-top reactions made everyone sit up and laugh. But who is Uncle Roger, and why is the world obsessed with him? In just 4 years, he's gone from being a stand-up comedian to one of the most famous internet personalities. Today, we're going to dive into how one egg fried rice video turned Nigel Ng into the beloved Uncle Roger, and how this character has exploded into a global sensation. Uncle Roger wasn't always an internet superstar. The man behind the character is Nigel Ng, a stand-up comedian from Malaysia. In 2020, everything changed when Nigel posted a video of his alter ego, Uncle Roger, reviewing a BBC segment on how to cook egg fried rice. His reaction? Let's just say it wasn't pretty.
What's she doing? Killing me, woman!
The clip of Uncle Roger screaming "Hiya" at the misuse of a rice cooker became an instant viral sensation. Within days, the video exploded across social media platforms, and what started as a comedic rant soon turned into a full-blown internet phenomenon. Within weeks, Uncle Roger's YouTube channel blew up. His video garnered millions of views, and fans began to flood his page, asking for more of Uncle Roger's brutal but hilarious food critiques. The character resonated not just with Asian audiences, but with people all over the world who enjoyed his exaggerated yet incredibly relatable takes on cooking. As Uncle Roger roasted celebrity chefs, attempted to improve Western cooking shows, and even taught people the proper way to make fried rice, his fan base skyrocketed. But what made Uncle Roger different from other YouTubers? It was his unique combination of cultural humor and universal appeal. Nigel's portrayal of Uncle Roger was not only a comedic persona, but a reflection of his experiences growing up with Asian food traditions. He balanced humor with authenticity, and that authenticity is what made Uncle Roger a beloved figure across different cultures. With Uncle Roger becoming a viral sensation, Nigel Ng quickly realized that this character had the potential to go beyond the screen. In 2022, he launched his Hiya World Tour, performing stand-up comedy in major cities across the globe. From sold-out shows in the United States to packed venues in Europe, Australia, and Asia, Nigel's humor, rooted in the Uncle Roger persona, resonated with a truly international audience. The tour was a massive success, attracting over 100,000 fans across 109 shows. What made these live performances so popular? It wasn't just Uncle Roger's hilarious takes on cooking. It was the way Nigel connected with audiences through stories about his life, his upbringing in Malaysia, and the hilarious cultural clashes he experienced while living abroad. Uncle Roger might have started on YouTube, but his humor was perfect for the stage. And with every show, Nigel proved that he was more than just a viral character. He was a talented stand-up comedian with global appeal. The Hiya Tour also gave Nigel a chance to experiment with new material, blending food-related jokes with more personal stories about his family, Asian culture, and the universal experiences of feeling out of place. These shows left audiences laughing and cheering for more, cementing Nigel's status as one of the top international comedians today. In 2024, Uncle Roger fans got the ultimate treat. Nigel Ng opened his very first restaurant, fittingly called Fuyo, It's Uncle Roger, in Kuala Lumpur. After years of roasting other people's cooking, Uncle Roger finally put his money where his mouth is. The restaurant, located at the famous Pavilion KL, is a nod to his love for fried rice, MSG, and all things delicious. Fans lined up for hours on opening day, eager to taste the infamous egg fried rice that Uncle Roger had become known for. But this isn't just any restaurant. True to Uncle Roger's comedic style, the place is packed with humor and character. From the menu items to the decor, everything is inspired by the Uncle Roger persona. The fried rice, a delicious mix of strong umami flavors, wok hei, and, of course, plenty of MSG, just the way Uncle Roger likes it. The restaurant has quickly become a must-visit spot for both tourists and locals, combining Nigel's humor with genuine culinary craftsmanship. Opening a restaurant is a bold move for any internet personality, But Nigel took it in stride. And, as expected, his loyal nieces and nephews flocked to try the food that Uncle Roger has spent years perfecting on screen. Although the opening reviews mentioned it lacked a bit of wok hei, fans still praised the authenticity of the flavors and the fun dining experience. As Uncle Roger says, if you don't like MSG, you're missing out on flavor. Uncle Roger's journey didn't stop with YouTube fame or even his successful restaurant. Nigel Ng has been busy expanding his brand into new and exciting ventures. In 2023, he announced a sitcom in collaboration with ABC Signature, which will bring even more of Uncle Roger's humor to television. But that's not all. Nigel has teamed up with Gordon Ramsay's Studio Ramsay to develop a TV project, mixing his food critique style with even bigger culinary adventures. He's also working on a feature film, as well as an animated series based on his Uncle Roger character. It's clear that Nigel isn't just riding the wave of internet fame, he's solidifying his place in mainstream media. Whether it's live stand-up comedy, television, or animation, Nigel's ability to evolve and diversify shows just how powerful the Uncle Roger persona has become. With his eyes set on even bigger goals, like breaking a Guinness World Record and expanding his restaurant brand, Uncle Roger's future looks brighter than ever. From roasting fried rice to conquering the entertainment industry, it's safe to say that Uncle Roger isn't slowing down anytime soon. In just a few short years, Uncle Roger has gone from a comedic character critiquing fried rice to a global phenomenon. Whether he's making us laugh with his hilarious food reviews, touring the world with stand-up comedy, or opening his own restaurant, Uncle Roger continues to surprise and entertain millions of fans across the globe. Nigel Ng has proven that with a strong sense of humor, authenticity, and a lot of MSG, anything is possible. As Uncle Roger's journey continues, one thing is clear: this character isn't going away anytime soon. From viral videos to television screens, and even onto the big stage, Uncle Roger's influence in comedy and food culture is undeniable. If you enjoyed learning more about Uncle Roger's story, make sure to subscribe to Maze Media TV for more content just like this. Hit the like button, share with your friends, and join the community for even more deep dives into viral internet stars, comedy, and everything trending online.